Namo Narayani. In this video today we are going to see about Ayurvedic and Siddha way of treatment for bone and skeletal diseases. So as in the Siddha text, we all know that all the diseases begins in the gut. So in Siddha and Ayurveda, we believe that when we cleanse the colon, we are treating the disease. The main root cause for all bone and joint problem is impairment of Agni. Agni means fire element in the body. If there is an impairment of the Agni, that is fire element in the body, it leads to the collection of Ama, that is toxins. So if the fire element is impaired and the other two doshas we called as Vada and Kapha, Agni is nothing but Pitta. So these three doshas will form as a toxin, that is called Ama. This Ama, the favorite site of Ama is bone and joint. So it gets lodged in the bone and joint, and then the diseases like stiffness, pain, inflammation, immobility, all this kind of diseases arises. This is according to the Ayurvedic and Siddha way of diagnosis of diseases. So this is the root cause of disease. In order to eliminate this root cause, first we need to cleanse the colon. That's why for treating the bones and joint disease, not only for giving just like anti-inflammatory or analgesics will not be helpful. We need to cleanse the colon. So that's why in our Sri Narayani Holistic Center, we are doing Panchakarma therapy. What is that Panchakarma therapy? Is five way of treatment. That is, first, if the patient comes with the bone and joint problems, we used to give certain kinds of massage first, and 2 days after that we will give fermentation, that is Svedana. What will happen if you give hot herbal fermentation, which collects all the toxins in the colon, and the next 3 days we will give Basti. Basti is nothing but herbal way of cleansing, that is enema. Then we will cleanse the colon, and after that we will give some rejuvenating treatments like rejuvenating the body, that is like Navara Arisi, Navara Kidi we called it, that is rice fermentation, and Pirichal, that is pouring oil all over the body. In addition to this, if there is a local pain and inflammation, we used to do Januvasti, that is pouring of oil on the localized, like if you have any problem in the knee joint, we will do Januvasti, that is pouring of oil, warm oil on the knee joints. So these kind of treatments, what they will do, they will eradicate, they will treat the root cause of the disease. Then the patient, whatever he is suffering from, either it is a osteoarthritis or a rheumatoid arthritis or cervical spondylosis, lumbar spondylosis, he will be free of pain, inflammation, swelling and stiffness. So this is how we treat bone and joint diseases at Sri Narayani Holistic Center. And after that, after cleansing the colon and rejuvenating the body, the final stage is giving some medicated herbs like Ashwagandha, Guduchi is nothing but Seendil, Yogaraja Gugulu, Karpa Vishnu Chakram. So these kind of medicines will act as anti-inflammatory, cleansing all the eradicating the root cause, and then if you give these kind of medicines, it will act as an anti-inflammatory, analgesic, as well as it will prevent the diseases in the future also. So thank you. Om Namo Narayani.